Hi, I'm Devin from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. So copper cookware has been beloved by home cooks and chefs alike. Our founder, Chuck Williams, actually discovered our favorite copper cookware brand, Rafoni, in Italy in the 80s, and we've been selling their tin-lined Historia copper cookware collection in stores ever since. Let's talk about the different types of copper cookware. There's tin-lined and there's stainless steel-lined. Both are great options, but there are some differences. Tin-lined copper is more heat responsive than stainless steel, naturally low sticking, and it's nickel-free. Copper cookware is the most heat conductive way of cooking. As such, it should not be preheated empty. Low to medium heat is best. It's important to avoid metal utensils when using tin-lined copper. Opt for wood or silicone instead. Copper cookware goes from oven to table beautifully, but it shouldn't be used for storing leftovers. Rafoni also manufactures our thermoclad copper collection. Stainless steel lining is scratch resistant and metal utensil safe, with a higher maximum temperature than tin-lined. Copper cookware should be hand washed with warm soapy water and a soft sponge and dried carefully. Copper naturally changes color when exposed to heat, humidity, and acids, taking on different hues that can include pink, purple, yellow, silver. This is totally normal and not a quality problem. With repeated use over time, the color will turn into a dark brown patina that many copper lovers and collectors cherish. If a shiny look is preferred, copper cookware can be easily polished using fine salt and acid like vinegar, lemon, or even ketchup. With the right tender loving care, you can enjoy your copper cookware for many years to come. To learn more about copper cookware, visit williamsonoma.com.